Ito misconception ito bilang isang spiritual. Hindi ba, ano yung tawag dito, you have to avoid ba mga gossip, mga ganyan. Alam nyo guys, that's limiting belief, you know? Kasi pag alam nyo talaga yung laro dito sa mundo, the game of life, nothing stop you from doing what you want. Nothing will stop you from doing what you want. It is the meaning that you put into something and anything. Like me, marites ako, pero marites ako na ini-enjoy ko siya. Hindi ko dinadown ang isang tao. I get lessons from it. You know, it give me inspiration, and experience of how to feel. If I put myself into their shoe, how do I feel? It's not about making myself down. Diyan ka talaga. Pangit yan. So, be wise on what you put in your mind, what meaning you put into your mind, because your mind is very powerful. Okay, if you don't know it, your perception matters, and your belief. Okay, di ba gusto niyo naman mag-change yung reality niyo? Paano mag-change yung reality niyo? Sagwa ng mga mind and perception niyo, hindi swak, di ba? Gusto niyo talagang mag-change yung buhay niyo, pero did you change? Did you change how you think? Did you change how you treat people? You know? Because treating people, does it make you feel bad, sad, angry, anxious? It matters. Your nervous system matters. Ako, marites ako, it's ano siya, playful. Wala akong tinatapakang tao. I give quotes, inspirational, motivational. Okay? And ano siya, yung nakaka-inspire. Ayoko nang mag-put ng of treating people down. Wala akong sa mga ganyan. Wala akong I like fun, I like comedy. Type ko si Vice kasi isa to sa mga ano she's very very Vice is very authentic, no? Melay too, no? Very ito talaga yung mga at saka beauty, no? Ang ganda. Ganda yung mga principles in life, you know? Dahil isa kang marites, you put yourself a label or you put yourself an identity, doesn't make you who you are. It's just a character that you play in one specific moment. It doesn't mean that's you all along. Because in truth, alam mo ba sino ka talaga? Hindi mo alam, di ba? So, yeah. So, yun lang ang, I think, my perception on being a gossiper marites, no? Hindi ba? You can do whatever you want, you guys. You can do whatever. Basta ang importante lang is you don't hurt people's feelings. Yung ganun. Pero kung katuwaan lang siya, na wala ka namang tinatapakang tao, no? Do it. Do for fun. That's what I've been doing. I'm doing for fun kasi guys, boring ang life ko. Wala akong ginagawa. Nakaka-boring ang life. Kasi, ano ko more on motivational ako So, yeah. And, I can find inspiration through what's going on around the world. But I avoid religion topics and politics, kasi maraming off. If you really know the game of life, maraming off. So, ayokong mag-touch base ng mga ganon. So, kung based on spirituality and my belief and the game of life, you can talk to me about it and ask me, shoot me what you want. You want to change your life, right? So, yes, I can answer you with that, based on that. Okay? So, I have more experience now, hindi naman siya concept kasi nakikita ko na siya because I'm into pattern recognition. So alam ko na kung paano i-navigate ang life, no? And life is not perfect. So there's always something na magiging broken, ng ganun. But ayaw ng throat ko. You give meaning, no? You give meaning again, no? Parang haka-haka, no? So, avoid that. So, that's it. That's for my take on being Marites and being spiritual. That's it. Bye.